Yes, this is me. This is Mara Moore. Just vibrant, beautiful, magnificent. I just look like shmoney. No one can tell me nothing.
Yes, it's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara Moore, and if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look for you. It's a very simple beat, people. It's a very simple beat, okay? I feel like Beyonce. 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 Who? I said Beyonce. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Okay, guys. So, I have a hair. What's going on? So, I'm gonna go in first with my Pro Base Banana Blur Primer for a mattifying finish with vitamin E. My face is like already moisturized and whatnot, but I'm really just gonna put this in my T-zone area because that's where I get oily like all the time, but we're just gonna rub this in. Can you guys let me know any good primers that I could try? How have you guys been doing? You know, apparently there's gonna be another lockdown. If y'all in my area, I am not surprised. So I'm going in with my Technic brow gel in dark brown. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, my birthday was Monday. By the time this video goes up, it will probably be like a week ago. But yeah, my birthday was Monday. On the actual day, I went London with my mom. We went shopping. She brought me whatever I wanted. And then the next day, the Tuesday, I went out with my sister to eat. It was a really nice restaurant. Like when I say it was empty, and they kept us by the window. So before I finish, I'm going in with the Elegant Pro Concealer in Chestnut for my brows. But yeah, the Wednesday, I went out with my friend Kate. Given the whole like social distancing and stuff, it's crazy that like restaurants are still open. But like, it's my birthday and I didn't want to stay in the house. So I don't feel any different from 24, 25. I really don't feel a difference. I'm just chill. I feel like I'm chill in general, but like, now I'm just kind of, I don't know, I just feel like I'm kind of over like certain things now. I just want to do better for myself. I really do prefer using the brow gel on my brows instead of like the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade or like a pencil or something. Because it already has the spoolie on there. So I'm like, why not, you know? I mix these because this one's lighter and this one's a little bit richer. They both really do get the job done. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with Fawn. I don't usually use Fawn, but we're gonna be using Fawn today, okay? Concealer here. There's a lot left in here, that's why I just took the thing off. It looks lighter compared to the shade that I would usually go for, but we want a nice highlight. Enough is enough. So next, I'm gonna go in with my Flawless Concealer brush and blend all of that out. And shout out to my new subscribers. I got a couple new subscribers. I'm just like, yes! Y'all love me that much that, you know, you hit that button and was like, you know what? Let me subscribe to this girl. Let me help her out. Let me support her. And I appreciate y'all. Can you guys please let me know what look you want to see me do, whether it's another YouTuber or someone on Instagram. Let me know. I'm open to suggestions. So as you can see, here's my like natural contour line, and I've just like enhanced the natural contour with a little bit of concealer right under it. So for contour, I'm using this Vital lipstick here. this shade. I'm gonna use it on my nose.
Stay up in the light, new house and new clothes, new match and new rose, new business, new game. Stay up in the light, new house and new clothes, new match and new.
So next I'm gonna set all this good stuff, and I've been liking using these. It's like these like sponges instead of like my beauty blender or like a brush. I like to use these. It's more precise, like the angles I can use. To set all this, I'm using the Mercier translucent powder. So to wipe all that excess powder off, I'm gonna go with the True Match Super Blendable Powder in Deep Golden. I love this big brush. Comes in handy.
New match and new rose, new business, new game. Stay up in the light, new house and new clothes, new.
I like to set my brows as well. Like I know there's like, I use the brow gel so it's fine, but they do get oily, so I like to just go over that with some setting powder as well.
Let it go, we got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Let's let it go, let's let it go. We got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know.
Ooh, all of that set nicely. Nicely. Next, my favorite part. We're gonna bronze. So this is the Revolution Glow in medium dark bronzer here. I'm just looking so cute. Oh my god, look at you already. I do need to try more bronzers. For the eyes, I'm just gonna use the same bronzer. Instead of like going in with an eyeshadow and everything like that, I'm just gonna go simply with the bronzer lightly. Not pack it on, but just so there's something on my lid. And I can always use the brush and just go back down on the nose. Do we want eyeliner? We're not gonna go with no eyeliner. No, we're gonna risk it. We're gonna risk it and we're gonna go simply with some mascara. So this is the e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara in Very Black, and then going with some lashes because I don't really like have lashes, but once I put this on, you see I got something going on, a little 1-2 hair. I feel like the weather is just like so draining as well. I just want some good weather and I want to travel. I think that's it. Like I haven't traveled. I would usually be somewhere by now. I would be sitting on a plane with how many people and then wearing a mask the whole time. Oh my god, I couldn't. I can legit just leave my lashes like this, you know. No, we're gonna go with some lashes. Lashes are on. Didn't take me long at all. We're just gonna add some mascara on the bottom lashes. One thing I don't like, one thing that really irritates me is like if someone tells me to do something, okay, cool, but don't keep telling me over and over and over and over again. Don't do it. No, just tell me once and okay. You don't have to keep telling me. Like, it's weird. Relax. Okay, now for blush, I am going to use an eyeshadow. I'm only going to use an eyeshadow because the rest of my blushes are more going towards the very pink side. So this is the palette. I'm always using this palette. I'm just going to go in with this shade here. That one. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna look at that. It looks like really orange, but like I like this. Like I don't even need that much, just to add some like life into my skin instead of like pink. Like I don't want to use using like pink, like different shades of pink. No. I feel like you guys already know my routine for my lip. A dark brown pencil. Just gonna line it. Lips are lined, cool, crisp, boom, bada bing, bada boom, petit pan any side, woy woy. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX soft lip cream. Look at that, peachy, peachy.
New business, new game. Stay up in the light. New ass in the clothes. New match in the rose. New business, new game. Stay up in the light.
And I'm actually gonna put a clear gloss over it. So I have these two glosses here. I'm gonna go with this one because it's more like clear. Just over the top a little bit. Just so I have more of like a shine. Because the lip cream just gave me some color. But the gloss just enhances everything. You have to have gloss in your life. Do you see a difference? You see the difference? I see a difference. We see a difference. Yes. For highlight, I'm just gonna go in with this Technic Get Gorgeous highlight, and I really don't even know what shade this is in, you know? I don't know. It's just like gold. And I think this is the end of this look. Very cute. I'm always forgetting to set my face. So I'm going in with Collection Primed and Ready Makeup Fix and Spray. I am giving you CEO of businesses. I'm giving you leveled up. I'm giving you certified, period. I'm giving you this video. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very quick. I love this hair. Do you guys like the hair color? I wasn't sure of it at first. I'm still not sure. It is what it is. Okay. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment. Please share. Please subscribe. And I shall see you in my next video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.